This is a final product of today's coding. When we click home, we see addresses blog/index.php. It is home page. When we click post 1, we have question mark after index.php, question mark, menu ID equal 1. When we click post 2, menu ID equal 2. Post 3, menu ID equal 3. Again, home, it is homepage index.php. And content is homepage. Post 1, we have menu ID 1 equal 1 and post 1 like title and content of post 1. Click on post 2, we have post 2 title and content of post 2, and click on 3, here is number 3, and we have post 3 and content of post 3. And now let's go coding that, scripting that. It is index.php. First of all, we have delimiters, PHP delimiters. Start delimiter is this, and end delimiters is here. The good practice in programming is on the beginning define all constant and variable. We need 4 constant for connect to database. It is function define. In the brackets we have capital letters db underscore host. Around is double quote, comma, and localhost is a value under double quote is value of that constant. And here is db underscore username, and this is a value. Root is a value of that constant. Third constant is password, and nothing. Password is empty space, nothing. And fourth function defined is defined for constant name of blog. It is db underscore name, under quote, comma, and under quote, blog. Blog is a value of that constant. It means host is localhost, username is root, password nothing, and the name of database is blog. After that constant, we need a variable. I name it $menu ID, like I named here this this constant in like I named that constant here. Here is menu ID equal, and row menu ID will give number of that variable. It is a variable in address, and same name I give here for this variable $menu ID equal monkey red $_get in square brackets under double quote menu ID. This variable is equal $get, $_get. It is object what waiting on the server that catch all around, all after question mark, all after question mark. And when address there is a question mark, after question mark, get object $get is global object waiting for all after question mark. Here is a question mark. All after question mark. In this moment we have one variable, menu ID equal 3 in this program. We have only one variable, menu ID. And when we click on post 1 or post 2 or post 3, we in address would be, will be menu ID variable, and $get object take it and save it, and we transfer it in this variable. Because with this variable is better manipulate after than manipulate with $get. Okay, it is all what we need about constant and variable. And we start $link variable is MySQL I_connect function. It is for constant, it is for argument, and $link value of variable $link is connection between our web page, PHP script and web page, and a database block. $SQL, that variable is SQL query. It is select asterisk from menu, quote, double quote must go here because it is a string, it is not a number. Select asterisk from menu is string, not number. $result is MySQL I_query, and there is two argument, two parameter that that function need that parameter to process, and process is go to database by connection $link and ask SQL query, ask SQL query in that database. Database understand SQL script language. It is SQL script language. And the result in the same that instructions, in same that statement, we have complete process that SQL script go by connection link to database, database read SQL query and give send back, and this is complete. It's a value, and what will be? It will be a complete table menu. Complete table menu will be a value of $result. That table, momentarily, there is 3 rows, 3 rows of data, 1 row like title row, and 3 rows of data, and all that will be here on right side of equal. Dollars result equal complete table menu from database block. Print, this is new from yesterday. This is new from yesterday, and this variable, and this is new from yesterday. We print link home. Link home, it is HTML. Because it is a string, we must make a double quote, and it is HTML syntax for a link to homepage, to index.php. It is relative address. Index.php is relative address. It means that index.php is in the same folder like this document, like this web page, what just we coding. And now go loop while, it is from yesterday, it is the same. Loop while take from $result, from that table menu, take menu ID, name, and make of that made links. Made links. How many row in the table we will have a menu. That number of menu. Post 1, post 2, post 3. And before of that we have link home. Home, and after home we have post 1, post 2, post 3. About that syntax we speak in recent video before. And now we have a new coding. If function is set means it is it or it is not it. There is or there is no. There is $menu ID or there is no. There is if we click on post 1, post 2, post 3. Now is set. But exclamation mark means not. If not exist $menu ID, print homepage. Else we ask a new question, $SQL, we type new SQL query, select all from table menu, where it is conditions, where menu ID, menu_ID equal $menu ID. This $menu ID, it is our variable what we in the beginning declare. $result MySQLi _query link and SQL will give only one row. Menu ID is unique for every row, and after this SQL query we will have only one row. $result, there is only one row. And loop while print row name, it is post 1, post 2, post 3, or post 3, or what we click, and content of that post. Because it is one row, we will have only one post name and one content name of that same post. It's all scripting. Save it like index.php and look at in the web browser. In the web browser, address is localhost learn web blog index.php. Index.php, we can call it without index, and we have home, we have post 1, post 2, post 3. When we without index, we have home page visible. When we click on post 1, we have post 1. Click post 2, it is name post 2, and blah 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 is content of post 2. Post 3, and programmable, we made a lot of job in here coding, and in the next video we will be continue this job about blog.